Check out for the family pack or any small people that may have walked in the room behind you. Don't worry, Ben's here. I got him.
Right angle is all the right angles. So she's got a right angle here at the knee, and she come up a little bit higher. So if you're not terribly flexible, you can stay here. So, but I'm looking at all these straight lines. Feel those straight lines, straight lines, straight lines. And in fact, why don't you rest your elbow on your thigh? Yeah, that's nice. This is where I want you to be if you're just starting out, okay? Come up and rest.
Go! 1, 2, 3, we sit.
Now hands on the floor. You have the right foot on the floor. Your left leg is up in the sky. You've rotated your belly button to face the wall.
Oh my gosh, that hurts the ass.
Okay, now.
Back kick. 2 more rehearsals. You okay, Captain? Oh, that's interesting. You ready? You want this? You want this?
High and lower, longer neck, longer arms. Let's cut this in half, warrior 3. Now lift the arms up and lower the hands, drop down low. Warrior 3, push, hold, and tap the toe down. Push your arms up, combine it now, let's go, down. Low lunge. Now pull that knee up, lift. Good. Drive it back, warrior 3. Hold it, lower the leg. Now lower the arms, come on, down to the floor, low lunge. It's low, 2, 3, 4. Now knee comes up. Lift, 2, 3, 4. Press back, warrior 3. Warrior 3, 2.